how to find Twitter username and password. So if you want to find your Twitter username and password, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. Now you need to open up your web browser and go with google.com, or you can also just go with your Google and go with the profile, which will be in the top right, and tap on manage your Google account. Now this will open up a section which looks like this. Once you find this page, you can tap on the security and sign in section. And the next step is you need to scroll down and find the option of password manager. Once you find your password manager, you need to tap on it. And here you need to go with search and then search for Twitter, or you can also search for X. Now tap on twitter.com and enter your lock screen. After entering your lock screen, you will have your email and your password right here. So you can go with the eye-shaped icon in order to view your password. So go and copy your username or email address and your password from here and paste it on your Twitter login interface, and you'll be able to log into your account. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.